So I'm using third degree for simulation of ultimate injuries. You take part A and you mix it with part B. They are a silicone modeling compound, and you want to take it and you want to mold it on the face and sculpt the scar. If you do it ahead of time, they will start to bond and it will not stick to the face. Once it starts to dry and set, I just take the spatula to smooth out the edges so that it's seamless with the skin, and then just further continue creating the shape of the scar. The next step is just taking some foundation and mixing and matching and blending into the skin. Next, I'm using this color wheel that has some blue, green, yellow, and red, creating some bruising around the scar. Now I'm taking the red, I'm putting it in the scar. This is where you want to create, the open wound, the flesh part, the bloody part. I'm making it a little darker, adding some depth to it, and then you'll see me go in with some black to make it a little bit deeper. Here I have started to create some other wounds, or you could call them scratches. So just putting a little bit of bruising, a little bit of blood, kind of where the product kind of started to peel up. The one thing that I was supposed to do that I didn't do was seal the edges down with alcohol. So definitely remember to do that, or it's going to give you a more peeled, rugged look. Here I've gone in and started to add the bentonite thick blood. It's just a good base for building the blood up. It's really thick and it doesn't really move around. And then next I go in with the stage blood, which is liquid and runny and gives off the appearance of the real blood that's drippy.